Nagpal Industries. Number 1 in corrugated machinery and technology. Introducing the heavy-duty high-speed oblique type corrugation machine built for efficiency and high-speed production. Featuring a hydraulic self-loading twin-shaft reel stand for effortless paper loading, precision-engineered alloy steel flute rolls, and a vacuum jacket system for superior performance, it ensures smooth operation. Stainless steel electric heaters provide consistent heating, while the VFD drive and warm reduction gearbox enhance control and durability. Its heavy-duty body guarantees stability, and the mechanical screw system allows precise flute adjustments. Compatible with LPG and PNG heating on request, this machine delivers seamless, high-quality corrugated board production. Choose Nagpal Industries, where excellence meets technology in packaging solutions. Subscribe to our channel and get the latest updates on cardboard box machines. Our address is plot number 65, Sector 6, Faridabad, Haryana. Contact Nagpal Industries today at +91 9810 to 75497 and invest in machinery that transforms your vision into reality.